I forgive more those who are in me. That it takes Allah will have mercy on you. If you show the hand yourself for everyone who's around you, on the day of judgment, Allah will surprise you. If you show good tidings, pray hard 5 times a day. Show love to everyone around you. Yeah. If you learn and teach others still, on the day of judgment, I'm sure there is a place for people like you. If you please Allah every moment of your time and every single day of your life, there's a place for people like you. Oh, full of love. There's a place for people like you. Oh, full of happiness. There's a place